Muscle in minutes. You've probably seen those push-up challenges online, 30 a day, 50 a day, even 100 a day. But here's the truth. Doing push-ups every single day doesn't automatically give you muscle. In fact, you could be wasting your time, or worse, stalling your gains. Before we dive in, I've got a question for you. How many push-ups can you do right now without stopping? Drop your number in the comments. I want to see where you're at. Today, we're going deep. We're talking how many push-ups you actually need to gain muscle, why your muscles grow, what science says, and how to structure your push-up routine for maximum results. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn simple push-ups into serious gains. 1. Why push-ups build muscle? Push-ups are a bodyweight exercise, but don't underestimate them. When done correctly, they target chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. But building muscle isn't just about moving your body up and down. Muscle grows through a process called hypertrophy. Simply put, your muscle fibers experience tiny tears during exercise, and your body repairs them stronger than before. This happens when you challenge your muscles enough to stimulate growth, not just move your body lightly. Key takeaway: doing push-ups is only half the battle. How you structure them, your intensity, and your recovery all matter. 2. Science-based numbers. How many push-ups for muscle? So here's the million-dollar question. How many push-ups a day should you do? Science tells us muscle growth requires progressive overload. That means gradually increasing the demand on your muscles. Beginners might start with 10 to 20 push-ups per set, 2 to 3 sets a few times per week. Intermediate lifters can go 20 to 40 push-ups per set, 3 to 4 times per week. Advanced lifters may need 50+ push-ups per set, or add variations like decline, diamond, or weighted push-ups to continue growth. Doing the same number every day without increasing intensity will plateau your gains. Your muscles adapt and growth stops. 3. Push-ups versus muscle mass. You might think, if I do 100 push-ups a day, I'll get huge. Not exactly. Here's why. Muscle growth depends on volume, intensity, and recovery. Doing 100 easy push-ups might build endurance, but it's not enough stimulus for hypertrophy unless your muscles are pushed to fatigue. Research shows that muscle fibers need mechanical tension and metabolic stress to grow. This happens when you go close to failure, meaning the last 2 to 3 reps of a set should feel extremely challenging. Example: if 20 push-ups is all you can do before failing, doing 5 more sets of 20 won't be as effective as doing 3 sets to failure with 15 to 20 push-ups each with proper rest. 4. Frequency. How often should you do push-ups? Daily push-ups sound heroic, but here's the science. Muscles grow during recovery, not during the workout. Beginners, 2 to 3 times per week is enough. Intermediate, 3 to 4 times per week with variations. Advanced can do every other day or daily if you rotate push-up variations to avoid overtraining. Recovery matters because muscle fibers need 24 to 72 hours to repair and grow. Skipping recovery leads to fatigue, poor form, and eventually stalled progress. 5. How to maximize push-up gains. Here's the secret: quality over quantity. 1. Form is everything. Hands slightly wider than shoulders, core tight, body in a straight line, lower until chest almost touches the floor. Push back explosively. 2. Go to near failure. Don't stop early. Aim for 1 to 2 reps shy of failure for hypertrophy. 3. Use variations. Diamond push-ups. Hits triceps harder. Decline push-ups. Emphasizes upper chest. Archer push-ups. Builds unilateral strength. Plyometric push-ups. Adds explosive power. 4. Progressive overload. Increase reps over time. Add weight with a backpack or vest. Change angles or tempo. 5. Pair with other exercises. Push-ups alone are great. But for balanced muscle growth, include pull exercises like rows or pull-ups to avoid imbalances. 6. Common push-up mistakes. Even the best routines fail if formal strategy is wrong. Watch out for too many reps too soon leads to injury and burnout. Shallow push-ups, chest barely touched, triceps underworked. No progression muscles stop adapting. Neglecting recovery soreness turns into chronic fatigue. Remember, less can be more if done correctly. 7. Sample science-based push-up routine. Here's a routine backed by science for hypertrophy. Beginner, 2 to 3 times per week. Set 1, 10 to 15 push-ups to near failure. Set 2, 8 to 12 push-ups. Set 3, 6 to 10 push-ups. Rest 1 to 2 minutes between sets. Intermediate, 3 to 4 times per week. Set 1, 15 to 20 push-ups. Set 2, 12 to 18 push-ups, diamond. Set 3, 12 to 15 push-ups, decline. Optional finisher, 1 set to failure, advanced every other day. Set 1, 20 to 25 push-ups, weighted if possible. Set 2, 15 to 20 archer push-ups. Set 3, 12 to 15 decline push-ups. Set 4, plyometric push-ups, 8 to 12 reps. Rest 1 to 2 minutes between sets. Progressive overload and consistency are the keys. If you follow this for 8 to 12 weeks, you will see noticeable muscle growth, even without the gym. 8. Nutrition and recovery science doesn't lie. Muscle grows in the kitchen too. Protein, 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram body weight per day. Calories, slight surplus if you want size, maintenance if lean gains. Sleep, 7 to 9 hours per night. Hydration, muscles need water to function and repair. Without proper nutrition and rest, even perfect push-ups won't give the muscle gains you want. 9. Mindset and consistency. Muscle isn't built overnight. Push-ups are simple but powerful when done consistently, with the right intensity. Track your reps, push yourself safely, and measure progress by strength, form, and size, not just numbers. Here's a tips: don't just chase numbers, chase progression. Going from 10 to 15 reps is more important than going from 50 to 50 every day. 10. Key takeaways. 1. Muscle grows when push-ups are challenging, progressive, and combined with recovery. 2. Daily push-ups aren't necessary. 2 to 4 sessions per week can give great results. 3. Form and variations matter more than total reps. 4. Nutrition, rest, and mindset are part of the equation. 5. Track progression, push near failure, and your muscles will respond. So, how many push-ups should you do a day? Start with your current max, push near failure, add variation, and recover properly. Do this consistently for 8 to 12 weeks, and I guarantee your chest, triceps, and shoulders will transform. If you want a complete push-up program for muscle and strength, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because I've got more science-based routines coming that will blow your mind. Now tell me, what's your push-up max today, and are you ready to level up? Comment below.